So my friend's daughter is coming over. She's 5. And she loves Pikachu, so I'm gonna make her a balloon animal Pikachu.
Hello, Balloon World. I'm Michael Floyd, your balloon twister. And this time, I'm gonna teach you how to make a balloon Pikachu with Poke. Get your light green 260 balloon and inflate it halfway.
Inflate it halfway? Oh, I can't even do the pump. Oh, there we go. It only does one bubble and then it stops. What am I missing here, Mike? Do you have this? There it is. No. Halfway. What's halfway? This? Look at that. Look at that. Oh no, that's way less than halfway. What happened?
That's really hard to do, so you might want to use a pump. Let a little air out, and...
I think I let too much air out, Mike. We'll try it anyway. We'll keep going.
Alright. Give it a good squeeze and a stretch.
Squeeze and a... Yours didn't sound like that, Mike. Mine went smaller. I'm losing air by the second.
You make a flower petal by folding the balloon over, grabbing the end where the knot is, and twisting it in to this section. Like that. So it looks just like that.
No.
It's basically a loop.
It's starting to look like a green bean. Fold it over. Twist right here. Oh, there we go.
Flower petal. Now we have
Flower
one,
petal?
so we need 5 more, maybe 4 more. For the second one, it gets a little bit easier because we have the first one to hold on to. So now we can twist it again, and we just want to make sure that they're about the same size. 2 down.
No, 2 only. That's all we can. That did the opposite of what it's supposed to do. Halfway. I'm gonna fill it up all the way and then just let the air out. Oh, I'm losing the battle. I'm losing the battle. No. No! Okay, cheer. Oh. My heart. My hand's shaking. Hold on. Okay. Be patient with me, Mike. We just went through something traumatic. Look how big this thing is. Look at this. Look at that. Look how big that is. Halfway. So. I'm gonna do that. That looks good. Jesus, what?
And you can see I have enough room for another one, so I'm gonna make 6.
Hold on, Michael. Figuring it out. I'm afraid to move this because they're all just gonna go back to a green bean. Oh, I did it.
And I don't really have room for a 7th, so I'm gonna stop it there. But I do need to let the air out of the end over here. So I'm gonna push.
It looks 100% just like his. Okay.
So I'm gonna push the air to the top. I'm gonna snap my fingers on it and pop it.
Okay. Mike, can I take it? Squeeze. Okay, so you squeeze the air to the top. All of it, it's not working.
I'm gonna snap my fingers on it and pop.
No. Okay. Oh, Jesus, I can't do this no more. I can't do balloon animal.
Now comes the time to make a 1 balloon Pikachu, technically. we're going to take the yellow balloon, 260, fold it in half, and you want to blow it up right to that middle point. This can be hard if you're using a pump, so you might need a friend. Let's hammer out.
How is that doing that in the middle? That ain't how you work. Okay. Mike, you're right. This is hard by yourself. Hold on, I'll get it though. No! Is there an alternative way to do it without friends and or pumps? Is there a third way? His neck keeps getting smaller every time I have to redo it. My Pikachu don't have a butt, okay? Yours has a little tail. Mine's just straight backbone to kneecaps. There's no butt there. It looks like cat dog. Did I do it? That there's a Pikachu, people.
Give it a nice little stretch or a massage so it looks nice, and just puff inflate it just so it holds a little bit of air, and then tie a knot. But make sure you...
I tried to inflate from that end. Hold on. Plenty of slack. Plenty. Oh, I see what you're doing, Mike. You're doing this.
See? Wasn't that easy?
No,
now
it's still not easy.
And we're done with the balloon. The only thing left is the art. The art on Pikachu is really easy. You can get away with just a red and a black marker. But if you have them, I would also recommend a brown and a white marker.
Hold on, let me go look at my marker collection. Mike, you are in luck. I found a red Sharpie and a black Sharpie.
I'm going to start by drawing the stripes on his back with a brown marker. But if you don't have a brown marker, go ahead and use the black one. The stripes are just 3 stripes. Now, I'm going to warn you, once you make one of these, you're going to be making a ton of them. Especially...
No, I'm not. I dang near died of a heart attack midway through. This is the one and only Pikachu, okay? Never making it again. Look at that. Hold on. Oh, my Lord. Oh, she's going to love that.